In this video, I am going to explain you how to define functions in Python. Now, here I will define one function. Okay, before defining function, I will explain you the syntax of the function in Python. Def. Before defining function, we use one keyword, that is def. Def is used to define functions. Def, after that angular bracket, function name. Here we will type the name of the function, then parenthesis, then parameters. After that, you see here what I typed at the end of the function name, colon. Then type 4 spaces, 4. Then here function statements. Whatever we will type here below this one, colon, they are treated as function statements. And some more statement here, then again statements, and all are treated as function body. Now some examples of the function I will explain you using Python ideally. Okay, before this you understand this one, angular bracket. Basically you see here, this is the language of syntax. Angular bracket means here you will type the name of the function. You don't type the name of the function inside this one, but just to understand, this is for understandable purpose, this syntax language. This is the keyword, def keyword. Then after that parenthesis, inside the parenthesis you will type the parameters. Parameters means function basically works on the basis of input. Then after that function statements here. Okay, now in Python IDE I will explain you how to define function. Like here one function def sum. This function is used to calculate the sum of two numbers. How many numbers here? Two numbers. Then after that semicolon. Then here s equal to x plus y. Then return. Return means the output of the function, given the output of the function s. Then press the enter key again. This function we have defined here. Then how to call a function? You can call function in this way, sum. Now you see here it is showing the prompt here to pass the values. Like you pass the values here 5, 6. Then the sum is here 11. Then sum again we can call here 3.44. Then here 5.44. Then 8.88. This is the function that is returning one value. Okay, the function returns only single value. Now you see another example, def greet. See this here, function having no parameters. Now you see here, def is a keyword here, greet it is the name of the function. Then you hit the enter key here, print good morning. Then you call this function here. Okay, you see here what is the difference between identifier and the name of function. The function whenever we want to call a function, we have to type these brackets after the function name. Then this is the output of this function. Now some important points for function. The function name should not be a keyword, and the function starts with def keyword here. Okay, in another example, new file. The previous examples I explained you in interactive mode. Now this example I'll explain you using script mode. Def, here this function, sum of 3 multiples n s equal to n into 1 n into 2 plus n into 3. Then you write here return s. Return s can be written like in this way here. Both are permitted. Then you hit the enter key. See this here, the cursor goes here. Okay, there are some important points here. See this one, these two statements are the part of this function. Now we'll call here the function print sum 3. Okay, the wrong name of function here. Sum of 3 multiples 4. Now you run this program. First we'll save this function. Program 11. Okay, you see this error. Sometime this error occurs like our program could not run in the interactive mode. Okay, run it again. Don't worry about these errors. No problem. We'll open it again. See here, this is the output of this program. Now some points are here. See here, in this line we are calling the function. This is the name of the function here. When we call this function, the control transfers here, and the 4, it is copied on the n here. Here the value of n is 4. Now the function calculates here, S. After that, when the return statement occurs in function, then the control again transfers to the calling function. This is called as here this part, it is called as calling part. This is called part. Okay, thank you for this video.